Hi, I'm Nick Kozlowski. I work in sales here at Franklin Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. I mean, the big change in the auto industry is that people are getting cars just custom fit to their needs. Instead of coming to a lot and trying to find something to fit your needs and kind of mold into the shape you want it to have, they just order something that's exact right fit for their family and their needs. And they come and speak with the specialist. They make sure they're getting the right car with the right features, and then they're happy with it upon delivery. One of the awesome things about coming in to a dealership and speaking with somebody about an order unit is you get to ask them questions that are just hard to get the answers to online. And somebody who knows it, who sees these cars, who hears every day, sees cars as people have ordered them as they came in with maybe new interiors or new designs, can really let you know what they think about that product or how the customer has responded to that, after sale. So it's a really good time to speak with a specialist when you come in today and order a unit for just $5 down and get exactly what you want and know that you have the confidence to come in exactly how you want it. Once again, my name is Nick Kozlowski. Come on down to Franklin Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and speak to one of our specialists today. We'll help you get the perfect car just for you.